Okay, so now you have to understand that creation happens in a Q pattern, a literal Q pattern. Now, what I think I need to do is that if you look at North America is like in the UN map, I think it's backwards. Okay? I think that North America being near the center would be opposite and flipped land. So that means I think that everything closest to the North Pole in the UN logo would be the exterior of the map. I wonder if it, like the coast of Vancouver would be like one of the extremities. And like London would be one of the extremities. It's a place that gets lots of rain. Anyways, closer to the North Pole would be the exterior near the equator. Okay, get me this. Meaning that if the battery's turned on, let's say in the buckyball, come on, the buckyball. If there's ever been a place to turn on a battery, it's a buckyball in Montreal. It's designed for that. It's built for that already. It exists already. It was created by Masons for this purpose. Now, if I have to go to Ottawa Gardens, British Columbia, like in Vancouver, I believe, or somewhere, what if the Austin Lee Meredith reality? So Austin Lee Meredith reality is this one. We're this one, they're this one. We're balanced. It's like we're two circles, okay? A left eye and a right eye, okay? A left eye and a right eye. But connecting them will be all of the first person's battery's worth of islands to make the Q, to make the barbell, to make the fly speck, like to make the this, you know, like you're gonna have like a world map, like the UN logo, you know, but instead of the UN logo, it's gonna be inverted, so everything closest to the center is gonna be closest to the edge in a circular mass, and then there's gonna be another one with the same kind of stuff. This is the 4, this is the 5. Now the 0 are all the dots in between to create a land bridge from the coast to coast, to literally make a 1 is a 3. To make a 3 makes 4 makes 5, makes 6, I guess. And 7 are all the bubbles connecting in 1. It's all the bubbles coming in and out to left to right, to every angle of diagonal. It's the understanding of all the circled ones that make this one-dimensional line. I think it's like stepping stones. It's like Ludo smell bad. When they step on the stones, they sink. They're not going to sink, guy. They're just going to be islands. Like to get, like you can take little short boat rides or something to get from like this place to this place, guy. Okay? And there'll be like big places. All different map, but it's going to be the same. Nothing's going to be destroyed. Everything's going to be the same. It just optically with your new eyes, it'll look inverted, guy. And to get to here, to get to Sheila and Amber Gray's reality from, you know, Kevin, John, Janek's reality, we're going to have to like hop across the islands on like trains, planes, and automobiles, guy. We don't know how many gods. We don't know how many batteries are created in Austin in Sheila and Amber Gray's reality. She doesn't. There's no way of knowing, unless it's like a trapped 144,000 or 144,000, yeah, whatever, or 144. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, there could be lots. There could be not. There could be bigger ones. There could be smaller ones. There are going to be all sorts of shapes. There's going to be bigger ones. There's going to be smaller ones. Does it make sense? It makes sense. It makes sense. And then working as a new one, we have to bring more batteries together, and maybe that then creates other. The 7 is the infinite. It creates other. And maybe the map of the world will change. And then when you create a new one with this geometry, it'll create not only a V, it'll create like X's. You know? Like like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, because you're saying it'll do 3 people's worth of Saturn matrices at once. It's always a 4. So a 3 and then 4 off of each of them. 1, 2, 3. It's 12. There's your 12. But it's really 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 for everything small. But you have to know that there's the new center of heaven. 17. It's creating in Q. You're always making, you're making a swirly map with a bunch of one-dimensional lines that go out of it, that connect to another swirly map with a bunch of a bunch of zero-dimensional singularities make one-dimensional line to connect both heavens, both centers. The islands are going to go all the way to the centers, guy. Like Q's, we're going to connect like Q's, guy. Wow, that's how the Earth is going to evolve.